James's funnel is broken, and he has a rusty dome, and his paint is scratched. Great job, but there's still more to do. James, great job, but there's still more to do. James's paint is scratched. That's right. James is ready to be really useful again. Henry's funnel is clogged with mud, and he is covered with soot, and his buffer is broken. Great job, but there's still more to do. Henry, great job, but there's still more to do. Henry's buffer is broken. You fixed it! Henry is ready to get back to work. Thomas's windows are dirty, and his paint is scratched, and his lamp is broken. Great job, but there's still more to do. Great job, but there's still more to do. Thomas's lamp is broken. That's right. Thomas is ready to be really useful again. You helped repair Henry, and Edward, and Percy, and Thomas, and James, and Gordon. You did a great job.